As business analysts, we often need to give presentations, be it to our internal or external stakeholders, our teams, client, customers. But what if we could improve our presentations? What if we could rehearse our presentations? What if there was someone like a speech coach who could tell me, overall, how am I even doing today? Well, PowerPoint has an inbuilt functionality to record and rehearse. Click on the small triangle on your top part to start your slide in a presentation mode. Once your slide is in a presentation mode, you can see a small mic option which is to rehearse along with a coach. It will quickly start your session, and now all you need to do is start talking, and it will keep on showing you feedback as to how are you doing at the end of the session. Record your session for at least a minute. I kept talking for some time. It gave me nudges as to, I was to a great start, that I could keep it up. And then after a while, I went ahead and stopped recording and ended my session. What this will do is the coach will quickly generate a report for you and give you details on what are the areas and how are you doing. Let's quickly understand this summary as well. I used another rehearsal where I had used 5 slides. I spoke for around 1.5 minutes to get an understanding of how I was doing. So the coach basically gives a summary of the overall rehearsal. Along with it, it gives notions around 6 or 7 key areas. Did I make use of any fillers? Was my language repetitive? Was my language inclusive enough when I was talking? It also gives some inputs on how was my overall pace of the conversation. So how many words per minute was I using, whether my pace was variating a lot or not, were my pronunciations doing alright, so my pace was just fine. It also gave me an overview of how was my pitch. So in this case, it is trying to tell me that my pitch variation was really low, making it sound very monotonous. So perhaps you all are going to be absolutely bored by the end of this video. But I get points for originality. When I was making the video or even going through the deck, I did not read word to word from the file, so I could keep you all engaged. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video.